Characteristics of good information. To be valuable to decision makers, information should have certain good characteristics. When it has these certain good characteristics, then it can be considered to be good information. Experience and research show that good information has numerous qualities. Amongst the qualities are as follows. Relevance. This is the overriding quality. Information must be relevant to the problem being considered. Too often, reports, messages, tabulations, and so on contain irrelevant parts which make understanding more difficult and cause frustration to the users. Relevant information is important to the decision maker. Accuracy. Information must be sufficiently accurate to be reliable for its intended purpose. The level of accuracy should correspond to the decision-making level involved. Accurate information is free from errors. Inaccuracies often arise from flawed data input, impairing decision-making and problem-solving. Completeness. Complete information encompasses all essential facts necessary for decision-making. It is vital that the information includes key elements relevant to the problem at hand. Timeliness. Information should be available promptly. Timeliness is crucial for making meaningful decisions. For instance, knowing outdated information, like last week's weather, may not inform current decisions effectively. Reliability. Reliable information can be depended upon. Its reliability often hinges on the data collection methods and the credibility of the sources. Ultimately, the information must be correct and verifiable. Quantity. Information must be provided in the right quantity. Both insufficient and excessive information can hinder decision-making. The goal is to present the right information in appropriate amounts to facilitate effective action. Activity 2. Reflective exercise. Think of an organization you are familiar with and list the activities undertaken in that organization. Consider the types of information used to execute these activities. For example, activities, recruitment of staff, financial planning, marketing campaigns, customer service management, inventory management, types of information used, recruitment, job descriptions, candidate resumes, interview feedback, financial planning, budget reports, financial forecasts, expense tracking, marketing campaigns, market research data, customer demographics, campaign performance metrics, customer service management, customer feedback, service logs, resolution times, inventory management, stock levels, supplier information, sales data. Conclusion. In summary, this unit has highlighted the significance of information in organizational settings. Effective information management is crucial for linking various resources and facilitating informed decision-making. Understanding the characteristics of quality information and the information cycle empowers organizations to achieve their goals.